Seventh Sandwich here from Electronic Farts, coming at you today with a beginner to intermediate Unity tutorial. And I don't know exactly what to call this one because we're actually going to be refactoring code as a way to explore some beginner coding concepts in Unity. So the code we're going to be refactoring is the little player controller I've rigged up here for a game I'm working on. So we have this shit controller, and as you see, we have an air and fart meter, and we have your butt shit gauge, which accumulates, so you have to wipe. So all of this is working as expected. You can even, gotta wipe. You can even hit F to fart while you're shitting, right? So that's all good. That's all good. You take damage when your butt gets too shitty, right? You have to flush the toilet or it will get full. So all of this works. I need to balance some of these parameters. That's more a game design thing. We aren't going to be covering that in this tutorial, but you might have noticed that butt shit meter fills up super fast. That's way too fast, especially with how much damage you take. So I'm either going to have to like drop the damage rate or, but that's irrelevant because what we're actually going to be working on is the controller, because the controller has a very big flaw. Everything works perfectly for single player. But what I haven't included yet are events, which we need to go through and add, which are going to be very useful for the greater program. And we're also going to have to add multiplayer functionality. So I did get a bit ahead of this. I added a player ID stat from the beginning. I knew this was going to have to be multiplayer. But currently this control scheme only accepts one source of input. So Programming for Unity 101 refactoring code is today's tutorial. This is not a 2-minute tutorial. I think we'll blow way past that time limit. So just get rid of that. So just a quick oh, I cannot get rid of that. Why are you lying to me? There we go. Okay. So now Visual Studio is happy. But wait, do I even use